Pansinin nyo, di ba? Yung mga nag-i-smoke, nagsisigarilyo. O ba't ka nag-i-smoke? Pampatanggal ko to ng stress. So may need. Ano yun? May stress ako. Gusto ko ma-alleviate. Eh, ang tanong, sigarilyo lang ba talaga paraan? Ang paraan. Doon mo lang kinuha. Ang problema dyan, mga kapatid, yung remedy mo, addictive. Nakaka-addict. At pag nakaka-addict ang remedyo mo, hindi ka dadalhin yan paangat. Lahat ng addictive, pabagsak yan. Ang nagiging result, nagkakaroon ka ng toxic lifestyle. Imbis na manigarilyo ka, may suggestion is, buksan mo bintana mo. Kami nila, yung therapy daw, nakakatulong. Yung lifestyle change, lalo na, nakakatulong. Good amount of sunlight, good amount of exercise, diet, and stop those unrealistic expectations that you have for yourself. Na nakaka-harm na ng ating katawan. Kung sasama rin nyo itong pinagbabanggit ko, mga kapatid, usually kaya tayo nagiging napupunta sa depression or addictive behaviors is because we have a toxic way of dealing with this toxicity. Meron tayong toxic behavior to deal with our toxic feeling. Yung para ma-address mo yung toxicity sa katawan mo, minsan toxic din yung pamamaraan natin kung paano i-handle ang mga bagay nito. But again, ang gusto ng Panginoon sa iyo ay magkaroon ka ng peaceful, sound mind. Yun ang nais ng Panginoon na maranasan mo, mga kapatid. Don't react in a toxic way for every toxic behavior that you feel. Hindi mo na makokontrol ang sinasabi nila, hindi mo na makokontrol ang kanilang behavior, but you can control your response. You cannot control what they post, but you can control who you follow. Pwede namang magkaibigan kayo pero hindi kayo nagpa-followan, di ba? John 14:27. Ang sabi ni Jesus Christ, "Peace I leave with you, my peace I give to you. Not as the world gives, do I give to you. Let not your heart be troubled, neither it be afraid." Mas mababaw na translation, John 14:27, NLT, "I am leaving you with a gift." What's that gift? Come on, somebody. Peace of mind and a heart. And the peace I give is a gift that the world cannot give. So don't be troubled or don't be afraid.